Hi, let's see the last week's dividend updates. So overall, our portfolio now increased to 2.6k. The gain is $141, around 12% return. And last month, we received a dividend of 6.51 on the actual basis. Last week, portfolio increased 1.57%. Let's see the activities first. Last week, I invested $133 on Monday. And if you go inside TSLY, all the 133 was bought on TSLY around 8.68 shares at a share price of 15.32. And we received a dividend from QYLD 6.44. And again, it's $11 deposit was there on Thursday. Also, zero point zero 0.07 Costco dividend was there from 2 weeks before. So everything we did a trading, and the Costco 6.44 QLD dividend and the zero point zero 0.07 Costco dividend, everything we drip to Costco. 6.51 we bought, share price 550, 503.95 in a small quantity. And also, if you go to so I started a new expense. So we'll go through the portfolio. IEP, that is a new ETF stock I selected. It has a good dividend ratio, dividend yield, and $11 was deposited 0.48479. Now if you go to the portfolio again, we'll go through each pie. So car wash, it had Jeppy. If you see Jeppy, and I added a stock MA for whatever dividend we received from Jeppy, we will invest into MA. However, that won't be possible because our financial independent was target was $10, and Jeppy reduced the dividend now. So I would receive around $9, 9.2 or something. So we need three more shares from Jeppy to receive the financial independence. So we'll invest whatever now, we'll move to Jeppy again, and all the dividends again to Jeppy. So MA has to wait for one more month to get to allocate some shares. And if you go to Costco membership, if you see Costco now the value increased to 40.29 because of the drip from Costco as well as QLD. And Netflix subscription. So our target was $15, and everything TSLY we bought everything, and with the last month TSLY dividend calculation, we received financial independent on Netflix. So now all the dividends whatever we received from TSLY we will allocate to EPD. So that is a new share added in this pie. That's a slice. Enterprise product partner that has enough dividend yield, and hopefully it can be increased on future. So that would be the energy stock I think that I am adding into this pie. So my plan is to add one stock from each sector. So this is the energy sector, and so that's why like we achieved financial independence on car wash, Costco membership, Netflix. So my next expense is Xfinity mobile bill. So I have a Xfinity mobile add-on from my home internet. Uh, every month it would be around $18. I think 17 point some, including the tax, 17 point something. So now we would like to add everything to IEP, and we'll make sure like we'll receive $18 from IEP. That is how this Xfinity Mobile will get financial independence. Now let's go to the monthly one. Monthly, the portfolio is increased 2.69, earned dividend 6.51, but this is not actual. We'll receive $9 from JP next week, so it would be around $15. So that would be the financial independence for all three. And Netflix, that TSLY, they give the dividend around on 15th of every month, I guess. Let's go to the Excel to know the monthly dividend. If you see the monthly dividend, now it increased to 32.7. Annual dividend, it almost reached 392. So we'll celebrate like the milestones achieved on 500 for the annual dividend. So if you go through the stocks, QLD, we didn't increase any number of shares. It's still on 38.3. JP, right now it is 25.019. So we'll add more to JP next week, like to receive like $10 dividend. This is from the previous dividend month. Next week it will reduce to 9 point. So we will add around 28 shares. Costco, it increased the number of shares to zero point zero 0.07. So the contribution from Costco is now 0.03 cents per dividend, $0.03 per month. TSLY, right now we have 34 shares. So with last month's dividend calculation, we will receive $15. That would be the Netflix subscription. And we added Mid America apartment communities and EPD to our portfolio. So all the dividends we receive from TSLY will move to EPD, and all the dividends from JP, once we cross 28 shares, will move to MAA. And the new Xfinity bill expense added a new stock IEP. It is a good dividend yield. And right now with the dividend, right now with the number of shares, the dividend we receive per month would be 0.32. It's a quarterly dividend. So the next dividend we'll receive on August. So before that, we'll try to achieve as much as possible. And with the cost, total cost we invested is to 2497, and the yield on cost is 15.71. So I would like to keep it more than 5. So this is a good one. Like on future, like JP, all these dividend ETFs might reduce their dividend share. So at that time, the target would be 5%, more than 5%. Let's see the financial independent date calculation. Right now, our dividend, monthly dividend, as per calculated, it is 32.7. And with the inflation rate of 3%, let's calculate the financial independent date. So as of today, the target dividend date, monthly target dividend date to retire at 217.89. Now with our current way, our financial independent would be 2277. Year 2277. At that time, my age would be 292, and I'd be receiving around 10 million per month as dividend. So hopefully we can reduce this one. This week we didn't achieve any milestones. So let's go through the milestones achieved so far.